So the question is, how long in general will it take to get from start to finish on a birth trauma or birth injury case? Is this something that you can get done within a couple of weeks or a couple of months? And the short answer is that in general, no. It's going to take some time to get through something like this. And in all honesty, it's probably going to take a couple of years. And this is something that, I like to explain to families on the onset so they can have an idea as to this process. And like I said, it is a process. And what can make it take so long is that there's a lot of experts that you have to have with these cases, and that means that there's a lot of records that have to be reviewed, and then these experts have to give opinions as to what they're reviewing. And in addition to that, you've got to deal with just your regular legal stuff, your discovery, your depositions, any type of motions and things of that nature. So it's a long process, and what I kind of suggest to families is that, if they're going to go this route, is that they focus on their child and their family. They focus on the doctor's appointments. They focus on the things that they have to do for their child and for their family, and let the attorneys and the law firms, let them worry about the legal aspect of things, and depositions, and getting the families prepared for depositions. That's what your attorneys and stuff are for. But in general, this is not something that is going to be done quickly, and if it's going to be done the right way, you have to make sure that you're doing thorough investigations and you are looking at the records and doing the interviews like you're supposed to. So I know I kind of talked about a lot with this, but I just want to help you understand that this is a process, and if this is something that that you want to be done quick, or you think that it should be done fast, then you might want to kind of sit back and say, is this really something for you and for your family? On the other hand, if you're someone who is like, look, I understand this is a process, that this is going to take time, you need to also, you got to understand that also. If you have more questions, if you would like to talk with me further about your baby's injury, maybe you're here watching this video and trying to get some understanding about this process because your baby has suffered the traumatic brain injury, HIE, or you've got a CP diagnosis, or you've got something else that's happening, a serious injury from birth injury or birth trauma, there's a telephone number on the screen. I invite you to go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. I speak with families all the time about these issues. This is what we do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to talk with us about your family's story. When you call, just let my secretary let them know that you would like to get on our calendar and talk with us about, what your family, what you have going on. One more thing, I practice law here in the state of Maryland, and if you are watching this video and you're not in Maryland and you reach out and contact me, because I can't control who's watching it, just understand that I have to use, or we have to use what we call co-counsel or local counsel. In other words, an attorney in your state. And that's something that we can work with you on, but I just want to make sure you understand that co-counsel or local counsel aspect of things. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland at Boston Law Group, LLC. We'll talk with you next time. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.